Did you know that crabs have some amazing abilities that might surprise you? Crabs can help us understand the importance of adaptation and resilience in life. Let's dive into some fascinating facts about crabs. Not only can they move sideways with incredible speed, but they also have strong shells to protect themselves from predators. Some species of crabs can even live on land and breathe there. These incredible creatures are more than just a tasty meal, they're a marvel of nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.